Welcome to the Burn Bootcamp podcast. My name is Jennifer Paynter. This is Luke Smith. We are the fitness specialists here at Burn Bootcamp, and today we're going to cover why we need supplements. So Burn has a awesome line of supplements, but our nutrition philosophy is whole foods, right? We want people to get at least 100 grams of protein from whole food sources, fruits, vegetables, but we do know there's gaps, especially in people's busy lives, with our members especially, the lives they lead. There's gaps that in their nutrition to get to their goals and just to fuel their bodies correctly, okay? So some of the things we have to supplement those gaps in their nutrition. We have Ignite, our pre-workout. We have our Collagen. During, we have Replenish, which is awesome. And then post, we have Afterburn, Creatine, and Afterburn bars. So why are supplements important, Luke?
So to Paynter's point, a lot of these things that we kind of recommend that you guys take are essentially to help close our gaps to make our lifestyles just a little bit easier. Everything that we have is go, 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 go all the time. And we really don't have as much time as we would like to sit into the kitchen and maybe prep as much food as we have. So we have supplements to help close a lot of our gaps. Paynter talked about Afterburn protein. That's probably the biggest one. And one of the supplements that you guys are most familiar with along with Ignite, that pre-workout supplement, we have to take these to overall and work out more efficiently, recover better, increase our body composition, and ultimately a lot of just health management. If I want to come in and utilize my 45 minutes to the best of my capabilities, I want to make sure that I have energy during my workout and making sure I get protein after workout too, because I know a lot of you guys were going through the carpool lines with our kids. We may have to run the grocery store, and we are not putting ourselves first. And Afterburn and a lot of these supplements can help do those. Paynter, what are some things that you heard members talk to you about in focus meetings about their kind of gaps in their lifestyles that they had?
So a lot of times in focus meetings, people are working really hard in the 45 minutes and they're not seeing the results they deserve. Okay, and I truly believe they deserve those results because I see them on the floating floor. A lot of that are nutrition, and they're trying. You're eating 3 meals a day. They're trying to do the whole food, but they're just not getting what they need because they're so busy. And then sometimes their bodies aren't recovering as fast. They're coming in, they're super sore, so they can't perform maybe as well as they want to as the week goes on. These are signals that they're missing things that these supplements can provide, okay? So a lot of times we need a lot more protein than we think we do. We don't realize that maybe we're hitting maybe the 80, 100, but maybe we need to be 120, 150, okay? That's where Afterburn and those burn bars can kind of close the gap. Sometimes we get really, especially towards the end of the week, really tired during those workouts, strength or conditioning. That's where Ignite closes that gap, okay? Gives you a little bit more energy. Creatine is incredibly beneficial in recovering and muscle maintenance, brain health. A lot of times people get brain fog as we tax our bodies in life and in the gym, and we don't realize that those resources need to be replenished also. So these are all things that signal to me in real life sentences that these supplements can come in and help make you feel better, increase your quality of life while running after all the kids, doing all the things, and coming into burn 4, 5, 6 times a week and crushing it.
Yeah, and supplements are meant to supplement. They're not meant to be in replace of. And I think that's a really important thing that we kind of missed the beat on, is that supplements can't take over our daily diets. We still have to have a heavy emphasis on our nutrition, breakfast, lunch, dinners, and snacks. Yes, it's okay to supplement in addition to with some of the products that we offer, but it's not meant to be a complete overhaul of what we're doing on a daily basis, but to really find out where these supplements fit into and what maybe the season of life that you're in, how many supplements you're needing. But you don't need all of them. You don't need to take every single thing under the sun, but find the supplements that are going to help get you to where you're going. I think as we progress through these next 3 or 4 episodes on the Burn Bootcamp podcast, we'll really start to dive into some of those things.
Yeah, we're going to break down all Burn Bootcamp supplements and kind of supplements as a whole in where they fill the gaps with each one specifically. So tune back here, guys, to break down each single one. Thank you for push and play. Stay tuned, subscribe, because we're going to hit you more with those individual supplements. Okay, let's close it out. 2 claps on 2. 1, 2.